Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Chaos erupts at Sands, UK. Vanessa Bling throws mic and Idonia apologizes. Over the weekend, thousands of patrons flocked to Addington Park in South London for the Sands Caribbean Festival, which promised an exhilarating day of non-stop entertainment with headliners Vanessa Bling and Idonia. However, video circulating online told a different story, as chaos broke out when patrons from another event stormed the venue, with some throwing objects towards the stage. Vanessa Bling took to the stage, pushing through technical difficulties to give her best performance. After several failed attempts, her frustration became clear.
Miss Hollywood, for Hollywood, we have to get the money come true. Don't get this, misunderstood. She had kids ready, she can never have a clue. Forget her one cup. You wanna start? Take for yourself when me and him apart.
Festival goers say the DJ returned shortly after. Idonia, who marked his return to the UK after 18 years, was stormed on stage by patrons and escorted off as tensions escalated. He later issued an apology to fans via Instagram. One TikTok user, Kadeen Rian, a lifestyle lawyer and content creator who was booked to cover the event, recalled the incidents.
Idonia came out, his mic was off, they put his mic on, his mic was back off. I saw people throwing bottles, they were booing. Someone picked up a table, they rushed Idonia off. Every lights went out, pitch black. We had to use torches to get out of there safely. And actually, when we was leaving, there was no barrier for VIP. So that's probably why VIP was so packed. I don't know at which point they took the barrier down, but the event was meant to finish at 10. It was 9 o'clock. So where was the barrier?
Event promoter Nino stated in a TikTok video that the team followed all protocols, but the disorderly behavior forced the show to end early.
What do you mean you need to do better? We did everything that we're supposed to do. If the people who don't want to pay for coming, them would come in. But them never have the intention of pay and then push on the fence, and we as a promoter and the safety manager and the police, and them are gonna lock it off because you can't push on the fence and see 300 people, 500 people come in. No, don't get searched and the party continue.
Last year's staging in Jamaica at the National Stadium left patrons demanding refunds after several hiccups. Back in 2019, the Toronto edition descended into chaos, with several patrons suffering minor injuries following a brawl and reports of gunfire. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.